DML stands for data manipulation language. DML commands are insert, delete, update, and select. Insert, delete, update, and select. How to insert records into a database? Here, insert command is used to insert new data records or rows in the database table. Database contains collection of tables. Table means an intersection of rows and columns. Here row equal to record, record equal to tuple. Here row means one instance, single instance. Row means single instance. Here we are inserting all records. Now we are checking. First we are inserting record. Here insert into table name. This is the syntax. Insert into table name. Open parenthesis column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, and so on, column name n. Close parenthesis values of 22, Dustin 7, 4.50. We are inserting these instances. 22, Dustin 7, 45.0. We are inserting these values. Row equal to record, record equal to tuple. Here, select command. What is the importance of select command? Means we are retrieving data from the existing databases. Here, select start from SAILORS. Select start from sailors means we are retrieving entire column list from the table. Select star from sailors. We are retrieving data from the sailors table. Here only one record is available. Now SELECT select star from select star S name comma age from sailors. Select S name comma age from sailors. Here query is find the names and ages of sailors. Find the names and ages of sailors. Okay. Here Dustin and 45. Dustin age is 45. Sailor name is Dustin. Age is 45. Here star means entire column list, or otherwise we are mentioning specific columns only. Here wanted columns only. We are retrieving wanted columns. Okay, we are inserting another record. Same first model. We are insert into table name, open parenthesis, column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, and so on, column name n. Close parenthesis values of expression 1, expression 2, and so on, expression 3, and expression 4. Here, what's the problem is occurred here? What happened here? Saujanya? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem here? Here constraint, some constraint is there. Unit constraint violated. What happened here?
We are inserting the same record again, sir.
We are inserting the same record. Here, insert into sailors, SID, SNAME rating age values are 31 Lubber 845 55.0. 31 Lubber 855.0. Here, we are follow the primary. We are assigning the SID is the primary key. Here, SID is the key attribute, primary key attribute. It does not allow null values and duplicate values. It does not allow null values and duplicate values. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are inserting same record. Here, the fourth record values are 31, 32, and 8, 25.5. 25.5. Okay. Here, Andy. $22 and 8.
25.5.
32 and 8, 25.5. 32 and 32 and 8.
25.5.
25.5. 25.5. Here I am changing the 12. They are selecting this line instruction. Copy. Here, what happened here? What happened here, Rama Rakshita? Sweta? Sweta,
Yes, sir.
what happened here?
Same check చేయమన్నారు, sir.
Here at the time of creation time, we are using check constraint. At the time of creation time, we are using check constraint. Rating greater than or equal to 1 and rating less than or equal to 10. Here at the time of insertion time, rating constraint is rating greater than or equal to 1 and rating less than or equal to 10. We are accepting these range values only. Now here inserting our 12. Is it clear? Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
now we need to change 8. Now insert it. Select star from sailors. How many records are inserted total as of now? Total
Four, sir.
4 records are inserted. Total 4 records are inserted. What are those? First record 22, 29, 22 inserted, 29 inserted, 31, 32. Total only 4 records are inserted. And now go to 5th record. 5th one. Here insert into table name. Insert into table name sailors. Insert into sailors, open parenthesis, column name 1, column name 2, and so on, column name 1, close parenthesis, values of 58. Here Rusty. Rusty comes under which data type? Rusty
Var.
comes under varchar 2. Varchar 2. Okay. And inserting 6th record. And 7th also. 8th. 9th. And 10th records. What is the importance of select command?
Retrieving
Retrieving data from the existing database. Retrieving data from the existing database. Select star from CILOR sailors. Okay. Here, find the name and rating of sailors. Find the Sweta. Find the names and rating of sailors.
Sir.
Karthik, find the names and
Select
select
name,
name, age
age
from
from sailors.
sailors. Select yes name comma age from sailors. I will ask one more question. Find the name and age of sailors who have a rating greater than 7. Saujanya, find the names and ages. Find the names and ages of sailors who have rating greater than 7. Select
S name, comma age
yes name comma age from
from
sailors
where check
rating greater than 7.
yes, sir.
Rating greater than 7. Here select yes name comma age from sailors where rating greater than 7. Rating is greater than 7. Total how many records are affected?
6, sir.
Total
5.
5 records.
5, sir.
Total
5.
5 records only. Above 7 rating. Here select yes name comma age. Select name comma rating from sailors where rating greater than 7. Here greater than 7, Lubber 8, Andy 8, Rusty 10, Jorba 10, and Horatio 9. Okay. Here, what is the difference between star and column list? Let's select star from sailors where rating greater than 7. What is the difference between first one and second one? What is the difference between this query and this query?
First one is only rating name will be displayed, sir.
Okay. And second
Next
one,
second entire table will be displayed.
star means entire column list. Star means entire column list. Okay. Here, select star from sailors. Select star from sailors. What is the difference between these two? This one and this one. What is the difference between this one and this one?
In first one, we are using conditions, sir.
First one,
Select star from main means it will
Rating greater than 7 will.
in this
with
environment, we are
the-
using wanted records only, specific records. Okay. Tama Rakshita?
Sir.
What is the difference between this one and this one?
The first one we are recruiting only specific records that we want in the condition with rating greater than
Here, specific records only. Here, there is no condition.
all records.
They
Entire
are all records. Is it clear? Okay, select star. Karthik,
Sir.
I need this list alphabetical order.
Yes, sir.
Select this list. How can you? What happened here? Select star from sailors order by yes name semicolon. It displays ascending order. Art, Bob, Brutus, Dusty, Horatio, Lubber, Rusty, Jorba, and Andy. These are the 10 records. Okay.
Sir, once again repeat, sir. Sir, once again repeat, sir.
Select star from sailors order by yes name.
Order by, yes, sir.
In this environment, we are using order by. Order by yes
Order by.
name, default ascending order. We need select star from sailors or the order by yes name BSC semicolon. Select star. So select star from Andy, Yorba, select yes name from sailors order by yes name BSC. Oh, Andy is lowercase alphabet. That's where it will. Okay, suppose if you want to update Andy small letter to capital letter. Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
I need to update a small a to capital A. How can you update?
Update.
Please read out this instruction. Sweta.
Yes, sir.
Read this line. Update table name.
Update table name. Set open parenthesis column name 1 equal to value 1 and so on column n name equal to value n where condition.
Okay, read this one.
Update student set username equal to so NOO where student ID equal to 3.
How can you update? Naveen, I need to update small a to capital A. I need to update small a to capital A. How can you update? Andy small Andy to capital A. Naveen. Rama Rakshita is there? Saujanya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How can
Update
you update?
sailors,
Update
table name.
sailors. Update table name or update table?
Update table name, sir.
Update table name. SAILORS. Update sailors.
Set
Set
S name equal to
yes name equal to
Andy. Where
where
SID equal to 32.
SID equal to 32 semicolon. Record is updated. Now we are using this command. Select S name from sailors. Order by S name descending order. Descending order. Karthik, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Select.
Okay. I am asking one more question. Find the names of sailors who have rating 7 with ascending order. Rama Rakshita. Find the names of sailors whose rating greater than 7 with ascending order. Hello? Saujanya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Select
Select
S name from sailors.
yes name from sailors.
Order by
We are using constraint. Select S name from sailors.
where rating
Where
greater than
rating
7.
greater than 7.
Order by S name descending.
Order by S name
DESC, right?
DESC semicolon. Yeah, Jorba Rusty and Lubber, Horatio, Andy. We are adding one more rating also. Comma rating from rating above 7 only. Is it clear? Select. Okay. Here select star from sailors. How many records are there? 10 records. Boards table, how many records available as of now?
Four.
No records are there. We are inserting second model. Here insert into table name, values of expression 1, expression 2 and so on, expression n. Insert into second model. We are inserting record. Insert into boards values of 101 interlake blue. 101 is a number data type. Interlake and blue both are comes under varchar2 of varchar2. Both are comes under varchar2. Okay, we are inserting another record. Second record also inserted. Already interlake in the constraint. Second record inserted. Third record also inserted. And Fourth record. Fourth record follows second model. Here insert into table name boards. Insert into table name boards values of expression 1, expression 2, and so on, expression n. Select star from boards. Select star from boards. How many rows are affected? Total 4 rows. How many rows are there? How many rows available in boards table?
4, sir.
4 records are available. Okay. Now we are create reserves table. So CLECT select star from
Yes, sir.
reserves. Select star from reserves. Table or view does not exist. RESC or VES. Table or view. Table DESC. Select star. Select star from tab. Say reserves 2 is there. Now we are deleting. We are creating reserves table. Okay. Suppose if you want to change the name, how can you change? Karthik. I need to change reserves 2 to reserves. Eighty-six is there? 86.
Sir.
How to change? I need to change reserves 2 to reserves. Rename reserves to PO2 reserves. Table is renamed or not? Table successfully renamed. Okay. DESC space RES RESC or VES reserves. Total 3 records are 3 columns are there. Okay. Now we are inserting third way, third model. Third model style is insert into. This is the third way. Insert into reserves values of ampersand SID, address of the variable, ampersand BID, ampersand day. First record value.
SID, sir.
Saujanya,
Yes, sir.
please note down this table. 22-101, 10th October 1998. 22-102, 10th October 1998. Third record 22-103, 8th October 1998. And fourth record 22-104, 7th October 1998. And fifth record 10th November 1998. And sixth record 6th November 1998. Seventh record 12th November 1998. And eighth record 5th September 1998. And the next record, ninth record 64-102, 8-9-1998. 74-103, 1998, 9-8. 8th September 1998. Saujanya, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now we are insert into reserves values of ampersand SID, ampersand BID, ampersand day. Enter value for SID
22,
22, BID
101,
101, and day
1998, 10 October 1998, sir.
10th October 1998. Naveen,
Sir.
please mute. Some disturbance is there, please. Don't mind. Okay. Record is inserted. Okay. Then slash. Enter value for SID.
22,
22, BID
102,
102,
10 October 1998.
10th October 1998. Okay, and third record,
22,
22,
103,
103,
8 October 1990.
8 October
1990.
1998. 3 rows are inserted. Select, star, fem, reserves. 3 rows are inserted. And fourth row,
22,
22,
104,
not 4,
Not 4,
104,
7 October
7th
1990.
October 1998.
7th October 1998. And another record,
31,
31,
103,
103,
10, 11, 10 October.
10th,
Yes, sir.
10th November
1998.
1998. Okay, another record, 31,
31, 104,
104,
12,
12,
12,
November
1998.
1998.
12th November only, this one
Yes,
also.
sir.
Yes, sir.
November 1998. Another record,
64,
64.
101,
Sir, 31 is there. Only twice, 31.
Sir, one record is
102 is
One-
missing, sir.
104,
102 chapless.
Okay,
31,
yeah,
102,
102,
1998.
10 November 1990.
10th
November 1990.
November
1998.
1998. How many records are inserted as of now?
7.
7
sir.
records.
8, 4, 7.
Select, star, from, reserves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 records are inserted. Now, 8th one model,
64.
64,
101,
101.
101,
5th
5
September
September
1998.
1998.
5th
November.
September.
Yes, sir.
November or September?
September,
September.
sir.
5th September
1990.
1998.
1998. Flash another model. 64,
64.
102,
102,
8th September
8th September
1998.
1998.
1998.
So last record,
74,
74,
103,
103,
8th September
8th September
1998.
1998. Total how many records are inserted?
10 records.
Select start from results. Okay, there are 3 models to insert. We are inserting records 3 ways. One is the first one. First one is insert into table name, open parenthesis, column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, and so on, column name n. Close parenthesis, values of expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, and expression 4. Expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3, expression 4. Here insert into sailors, SID, S name, rating, age. Here 85. 85 comes under which data type? 85 comes under number data type. Art comes under,
Where
3 comes under
Number.
number. 25.5 comes under
floor,
number
Number 3, comma.
number of 5 comma 2 or something. Okay, it is a float data type. Now second model. How to insert second way? How to insert record? Insert into table name, values of direct values 101, interlake, blue. Interlake and blue both are comes under varchar 2. Interlake, blue both are comes under varchar 2. 101 comes under number data type. Okay. Here we are discussing three constraints. Here unique constraint. What is the importance of here? Why unique constraint violated?
Because we are again inserting the same record, sir.
Yeah, unique means it does not allow duplicate values.
Duplicate.
It does not allow duplicate values. Okay. Here one more constraint is there. What is that one? Here we are also violating one error, one type here. What happened here? Ramarakshita?
Check constraint.
We are violating the check constraint. We are inserting above check constraint. The rating, check rating is rating. We are accepting only between 1 to 10. We are inserting above greater than 10. We are inserting greater than 10. That's why we are violated the check constraint. Check constraint violated. Check constraint violated. Okay. Two constraints are clear. The three records are inserted. Insertion part is over. If you have any doubts regarding insertion, Karthik,
Sir.
are you clear? Insertion.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sweta,
Yes, sir.
Pravalika,
Yes, sir.
Pravalika,
Sir.
Sindhusha,
Yes, sir.
are you aware of how to insert these three records?
Yes,
Different
sir.
ways. Okay. Sojanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now insertion part is over. Okay. Now how to delete single record or two or more records or at a time entire record list. There are three different ways is there. Okay. Here delete. What is the importance of delete? Delete is used to remove one or more rows from the database table. Simply says we are deleting. DELE, delete. Delete from table name. Delete from table name sailors. Delete from table name sailors, semicolon. Expected output, anyone?
All records deleted, sir.
In Silas
Pravalika.
table will be deleted.
Sir, all Silas all recorded deleted, sir.
Sindhusha? Sindhusha.
All records deleted.
Wow. Sweta?
Table will delete it.
Saujanya?
Sir, I think syntax is wrong, sir.
Delete from
Delete.
table name is correct. What happened here? What type of constraint violated?
Child.
Referential integrity constraint. Foreign key constraint is violated. Foreign key constraint is violated. Why? Because at the time of creation time, first create the parent, then create the child. At the time of deletion time, first delete the child, then delete the parent. Sweta, okay? Ramarakshita, clear?
Yes, sir.
At the time of deletion time, first delete the reserves table, then delete the parents. Okay? Yes, draw, delete from RESER. Expected output, Saujanya.
Results table will be deleted, sir.
Reserves table 10 records are deleted. Okay? 10 records are deleted. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
My question is, what happened here? Truncate table boards, semicolon.
All
Truncate table.
records are deleted, but structure will remain same.
One second. DESC space RESC or VES. Your structure is there. TRUN, truncate table reserves boards. What happened here? What constraint violated?
Primary key.
Why?
Unique.
First delete the child table, then delete the parent table. Okay. Here select star from tab. What is the importance of this command? Select star from tab. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Drop table means
Object does not exist. Okay. Then truncate table name
name.
boards. Rama Rakshita.
Table is
Rama Rakshita.
Sir,
Are you aware of this one? A truncate table name.
delete all the instances of the table.
Instances of the table. My question is, what is the difference between delete table name? Here's check here. Delete from reserves. Delete. Drop reserves records are deleted. Integrity constraints violated error. Yeah, delete from reserves. 10 records are deleted. Are you
Yes,
sure?
sir. Yes, sir.
Delete from table name. 10 rows are deleted. Here also truncate table boards. A total 4 records are deleted. Structure also, there also structure is available. Here also structure is available. DESC space boards. What is the difference between these two things? What is the difference
Truncate is
between?
DDL command, but delete is DML command, right, sir?
Okay, one is the DDL command, another one is the DML command. Okay.
Hmm.
At the time of deletion time, we are deleting a single record or twice. Here,
Yeah.
it is not possible to delete one or two records. You can delete entire list. You can delete entire list. Okay. Now, what is the difference between drop table name, truncate table name?
Drop table name means the entire table will be deleted, sir, with the structure.
Yeah.
In
Saujanya?
truncate, yes, sir.
Yeah.
By using truncate table name, only records will be deleted. Structure will be remained, sir.
Okay.
By using drop, overall structure and records totally deleted, sir.
Okay. Now deletion part is over. Now, how can you delete at a time? So we have dropped the structure. Drop table name boards. Now select star from Select 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 star term. Sindhusha? 86. 86. No, 86. Pravalika 90. Pravalika,
Sir,
I need to delete 74 record. How can you delete?
sir, delete star from Silas where
DELETE delete.
star
Delete from
Silas
sailors
where
where
SID equals to
SID equal to
Sir, Manu.
74 semicolon. Cell one row deleted successfully. Select star from sailors. 74th record is SID 74 record is deleted.
Deleted.
Successfully. Okay, I will ask one more question.
Sir.
Okay, I need to delete at a time 31 and 71 records. I need to delete 31 and 71 records.
Sir, enough use system, sir. Enough use system, sir.
Okay, anyone?
In operators.
In operator, you will explain total.
Select,
Delete from
delete
Delete.
from Silas,
Delete
Silas
from sailors
where
where
SID
SID
in
bracket
open parenthesis
31,
given
74.
31, 71. 2 rows are deleted. 2 rows are deleted. Okay, Sweta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose the remaining records are deleted. How can you delete it at a time? Remaining 7 records.
Delete.
Select star from sailors. Select the CLECT select star from CILORS sailors. 7 records are there. 7 records are selected. Now, how can you delete 7 records at a time?
Delete from Silas.
Delete from sailors. Total how many records are deleted?
7
7
rows.
records. First one, particular record. Specific record means delete from table name. Delete from table name where column name equal to particular value.
Value.
Delete from table name where the column name equal to expression. Suppose at a time 2 or more records. Suppose if you want to delete at a time 2 or more records, the time we are using delete from table name where column name in open parenthesis expression 1, expression 2, and so on expression n. Okay, we are giving 3 to 4. Okay, suppose if you want to delete the entire row list, that time we are using delete from sailors. Okay, are you aware of delete? Saujanya?
Yes, sir.
Pravalika? Pravalika.
Sir,
Okay,
okay,
are you
sir.
aware of Rama Rakshita?
Yes, sir.
Delete command. Okay, we are inserting sailors table structure is available. If structure is available or not, how can we check?
DAS space
DESC space
Silas.
sailors. Structure is there. We are inserting one record. Need to insert this record. Copy. Inserted. Record is inserted successfully. Insert into table name. Open brackets column name 1, column name 2, and so on. Column name n. Values of expression 1, expression 2, and so on. Expression n. One row is record. One row is inserted. I need to update 7 to 9. Rating 7 to 9. How can Sweta? Okay, Sweta.
Yes, sir.
Need to rating greater than the rating range is 7 to update 7 to 9.
Update.
Ranges ratings are frequently changed. Dustin range is now Dustin rating is 9. How can you update?
Update. Using update.
Using update.
Silas. From
Update.
Silas.
Update sailors.
Set rating equal to 9.
Rating equal to 9.
Where SID equal to
SID
20.
equal to 22. SID equal to 22. One row is updated. Select star from RESER table name sailors. SAILORS sailors. Select star from sailors. Rating is updated or not?
Yes, sir.
Rating is updated. Rama Rakshita.
Sir,
Age 45 to 25. How can you change?
by using update command,
Okay.
update
sailors.
Set
Update sailors,
Set.
age is equals to 25,
Age equal to 25.
where
Where
SID equals to 22.
SID equal to 22. Row is updated. Select star from sailors. Age also updated. Okay. Saujanya.
yes, sir.
Need to update SID 22 to 58.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Update sailors set SID equal to
Set SID equal to
anything number, sir. What we want to.
your number 84. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
84.
Where SID equal to 22.
Where SID equal to 22. And updated. Yeah, record is also updated. Updation also clear. How many DML commands are there available in SQL? DML command 4. What are those? List out.
Insert,
Select, update, delete,
Select, update,
Insert.
delete.
delete. Syntaxes are clear.
yes, sir.